Hello everybody, it's Ernie, Las Vegas retired. Time to change the old, it's not the sensor, it's the receiver that takes your blood sugar, and this thing tests it. So the one I have on's run out. So let's see how quick I can do this. I haven't practiced, I haven't done anything. Doing it in real time to help people that are worried maybe that they'll do it. Wait a second, let me change my shirt real quick to a sleeveless one. Now, told you I hadn't prepared, but I just thought of this. Let me put this shirt on. I don't want to make anybody sick from seeing me. One of my old headbanger sleeveless shirts when I used to have muscles. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Now we got a sleeveless, so let's take this thing off. It's sticky. Pull it off. And then I can see, and there's some of that adhesive. Oh, well, the adhesive came off. Sometimes it'll leave some of that adhesive by. There's a little bit of sticky there. There's the needle that was in there. Never even saw it, never felt it, nothing. It was fine. So I'll just throw it away. Now I got the box, the Freestyle box. Should easily open. There it is. You got the instructions in there. You can look it on YouTube for even better, different ones. Okay. So we figured out how to do it. There's the what I said last time at the beginning of this playlist, the Jello gelatin cover. It's on there pretty tight. Got it off. There's the inside of that. You can't see anything. Then here's that part. Just twist it off. Not that hard. Last time I was twisting it the wrong way. Wasn't really sure. And then you got there's a little line right there. And then here's the inside of that. You can't see anything. Oh, that's the sticky part that goes on there, and it'll go on easy. And there's the line there. It'll match up to that line there. Should. And it does. See? And then you hold it, or you can use a hard surface. Push. That was simple. A lot easier. Pull it apart. Oh crap, you can see the needle in there now, but it doesn't matter. I know it doesn't hurt. Just don't look at it. Now I'm going to put it on the other back of the arm again. The other one. Had it on this one. Had it on this one the last time. So whatever's there healed up. Now I just take this thing, push down like that. It was really simple. Pull up. There it is. Super simple. Didn't feel a thing. Didn't feel it at all. You know, if you ever had a tetanus shot, you can feel it. You know, that's the least painful one of all. But that one, you can't even feel nothing. So there it is. It's on. Now the sensor told me, it's got on there, start new sensor. Start new sensor, and I'll just punch it, do what it says, start new sensor. Now it went, and we learned from last time, it has to have 60 minutes to warm up or program or whatever. I went to my diabetes doctor today. That's why I'm here. It's later in the evening. It's 9:45 at night, and I learned a lot with that doctor and re-evaluated, and they put this in their system. Somehow they supposedly emailing me, and then I was invited to get into Libre link, and then it'll gather up all your information and they can read it from the office. So I'll have another appointment. I've got an appointment today, was like the dietitian, and then the endocrinologist, something like that. Anyway, they come and they were happy that I got this, because I was kind of like a problem child with the pricking the fingers. I wasn't doing it. You know, with my diabetes, I'm supposed to do it a lot, and so anyway, before yours gets too severe, do this. They said, how often do you check it? You got to check your blood sugar within 8 hours to keep this thing programmed. And I was like, no problem. I check mine a lot. Wake up in the middle of the night and check it. And anyway, I'll do a couple more of these, and because I learned some more of the symbols on here, and show you guys. It's really simple, but I'm glad I went, because I don't like using that quick acting. And I told them about the blood sugar low I had, and just last week it was really scary. And you know, you got to ask those doctors and dietitians questions. You'll think about it when you have these experiences. But she told me, you know, before, they were saying, take it 15 minutes before you eat. Well, that's why I had the blood sugar, because I would do that, take blood sugar low. I'd take the amount of quick acting Novolog, and then, you know, something would happen, you get sidetracked and you don't eat. You know, you know, somebody might knock on the door, and it might be a long lost friend, or who knows, anything. This doctor today said, don't take that long lasting till you see the food, till you know it's gonna be there. And I was like, okay, thank you, because I was thinking like, okay, they're wanting it to react for 15 minutes. No, if it's in your body, it's working. So that's just something I learned. Oh, oops, I saw something on it. It was that chair right there. That's not supposed to be there. But anyway, went to the VA hospital today about this U.S. Air Force hat. Thought it was pretty cool. So anyway, I'm going to put this on my playlist. What is it? Freestyle Libre 14-day playlist on my YouTube channel. Las Vegas, retired. It's hard to find because I don't have that many subscribers, so you know, put Freestyle Libre 14-day Las Vegas retired for search, find it, and you know, it's good. You learn something, and you learn it from a regular person that's a lot like you. So, you know, you're older, you know, and oh, you're an old headbanger or metalhead, or an old veteran that oh, you're just happy you got an honorable discharge from all the shit you went in, did, you know, created. But anyway, to join the Air Force right now might be a good time after this situation for people that have been hungry, lost their job, got their lights turned off, had trouble getting their unemployment insurance, no matter what your situation is. You'll appreciate the Air Force now. Don't just join it right out of high school when you really don't know anything, and then, you know, have a couple crappy jobs, get a college degree, and end up working at Taco Bell, and then say, hell with this crap, join the Air Force. It'll be the best job you ever had. That's what my MOS was, inventory management specialist. Boy, that sounds good. It was supply, you know, and there you have different things. You learn stuff. I bet it's really great now. So, and I never ate as good as you know, in my life as I did on a regular basis in the Air Force. So anyway, if you think you're gonna like the Navy, do that. But the hardest test to pass is the Air Force. You know, you'll get insulted more by the Marines or the Army or whoever, Navy. Coast Guard might be good. Go in the Coast Guard, get supply. But anyway, God bless everybody. There it is. Look, touching it. Looks good. Let's see if what this thing will say now, just for the fun of it. 53 minutes. Okay, it's do so. Here in about an hour, I'll be able to check my blood sugar. I took my long-lasting. Oh, I forgot. I took 30. They changed it because I have this thing now 25 in the morning and 25 in the evening, and then I regulate my quick acting. See, so they lowered my. This is the quick acting. They lowered my long lasting because now I'm more responsible, you know, and have, you know, have a more convenient way of checking my blood sugar and calculating things, because I told them, you know, I didn't like, they had me taking 60 long-lasting straight up, and I split it myself into 30. Then why did you do that? Don't do that unless the doctor tells you. I was like, it felt like I was putting too much insulin in me. I didn't like it. They said, well, it goes 24 hours, so it doesn't matter. But then they said, okay, 25. Oh yeah, I'm glad we talked about that. 25 at 7 a.m. in the morning. So I'll have to set my smartphone alarm. That's what I'll do. 7 a.m. in the morning, 25. 7 a.m. in the evening, 25. And they said do it religiously. Okay. Well, I'm glad we did this. Talking to this camera, it's hard for me to think, you know, without somebody actually talking. But you guys see how I get on top. I've watched some of my videos, and I'm like, I never finished the story on some of those things. And that's why you need to put comments in, say, you know, what happened here and there, and then I'll answer. I won't be getting that many comments, so I can answer you. Okay, God bless everybody, and Freestyle Libre 14 day. Man, that thing is, it's good for us diabetics. Okay. God bless America. God bless everybody.